From this video, you will get tips to prepare for PCAD-31-02 PCAD Certified Associate Data Analyst with Python exam. What is PCAD, Certified Associate Data Analyst with Python? PCAD exam syllabus. How to prepare for exam success. 1. What is a major challenge in aggregating data from multiple sources? A. Excessive disk space usage. B. Duplicate records and format inconsistencies. C. Increased algorithmic complexity. D. Overfitting in predictive models. Answer: B. 2. What may occur if a model is evaluated using the same data it was trained on? A. Overgeneralization. B. Data leakage. C. Overfitting. D. Underfitting. Answer: C. 3. What is the primary goal of pre-processing data before performing analysis? A. To minimize the number of data points. B. To obscure sensitive information. C. To ensure the data is clean, consistent, and suitable for modeling. D. To compress datasets for storage efficiency. Answer: C. 4. Which method allows you to detect and remove rows with duplicate values across all columns in a pandas data frame? A. Data frame. Unique. B. Data frame. Remove _duplicates. C. Data frame. Drop _duplicates. D. Data frame. N. Unique. Answer: B. 5. Which operations are recommended when organizing messy tabular data in pandas for further transformation and statistical modeling? Choose 2. A. Resetting the index after filtering. B. Dropping column headers. C. Ensuring consistent data types. D. Converting the data frame to a series. Answer: A. C. 7. Which SQL commands can be used to modify the contents of a table's data directly? Choose all that apply. A. Update. B. Delete. C. Select. D. Insert. Answer: A. D. 7. Which SQL commands can be used to modify the contents of a table's data directly? Choose all that apply. A. Update. B. Delete. C. Select. D. Insert. Answer: A. D. 8. Which of the following best describes the purpose of the PLT subplot function in Matplotlib? A. It overlays multiple plots in the same figure without axes. B. It creates a 3D surface plot using pandas. C. It configures multiple plots in a grid layout within a single figure. D. It links Matplotlib with Seaborn's grid styling. Answer: C. 9. Which Python constructs are useful for comparing and managing object identity in a data pipeline? Choose all that apply. A. Is operator for memory level comparison. B. id function to retrieve unique object identifiers. C. str function to convert data formats. D. Operator for checking value equivalence. Answer: A, B. 10. What is a key assumption of linear regression that distinguishes it from logistic regression? A. Output values must be binary. B. Predictors must be independent. C. The relationship between predictors and the outcome is linear. D. The target variable is unordered categorical. Answer: C.